Hello, friends! If you love exploring the latest devices in the tech world, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Honor MagicBook Art 14 model. This device stands out with both its design and performance, making it one of the most powerful laptops on the market. If you're ready, let's dive into all its features in detail. Don't forget to subscribe and like. At first glance, the Honor MagicBook Art 14 impresses with its sleek design. Its body is made of magnesium alloy, making it incredibly lightweight. Weighing just 1.03 kilograms and with a thickness of 11.5 millimeters, it is one of the most portable devices available today. If you're constantly on the go or attending meetings, it's light enough to be almost unnoticed in your bag. It comes in elegant color options like emerald green and sunrise white. These colors give the device a professional yet stylish look. The matte finish also prevents fingerprints and smudges, keeping the device looking clean at all times. The display is where the real magic happens. The Honor MagicBook Art 14 features a 14.6-inch OLED display with 3.1K resolution and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. This means visuals appear more vibrant, sharp, and clear. It's perfect for professional photo editing, video editing, and content creation. The 700 nit brightness ensures a clear picture even under direct sunlight. Additionally, the 97% screen-to-body ratio gives it an almost bezel-less design, making the viewing experience more immersive and enjoyable. But the screen's features don't end there. The TUV Rhineland-certified blue light filter reduces eye strain during prolonged use. If you spend long hours in front of the screen or love watching movies, this feature can be a lifesaver. Plus, the DC dimming technology eliminates screen flickering, further protecting your eye health. When it comes to performance, the Honor MagicBook Art 14 is a beast. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. With its 14-core design, it provides outstanding performance for both work and play. Whether you're doing everyday tasks or dealing with intensive workloads, it performs seamlessly. The Intel Arc graphics card ensures top-notch graphical performance, making it ideal for tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and even gaming. With 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes LPDDR5X RAM options, the MagicBook Art 14 ensures smooth multitasking. You can run multiple applications simultaneously without any issues. It also comes with a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD, offering super-fast data transfer and storage capabilities. This means that whether you're working on big files or running complex software, the device keeps up with you. Projects load quickly, and large files are handled without delay. Let me share my real-life performance experience. When editing 4K videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, I experienced zero lag or delay. My workflow became much faster, and I was able to complete large projects in less time. Even when playing AAA games, the device performed incredibly well. It offered a smooth gaming experience at medium and high settings, making it perfect for gaming enthusiasts. As for connectivity, the Honor MagicBook Art 14 is fully equipped. It includes Thunderbolt 4, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 provide top-tier wireless performance. The magnetic 1080p webcam is detachable and offers great features for online meetings and video calls. With image enhancement and background noise cancellation, you can enjoy crystal-clear video calls on platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. The sound system is also on another level. Featuring DTS-X Ultra support and a 6-speaker sound system, it provides clear and powerful sound. Whether you're listening to music, or watching movies. The 3-microphone system offers excellent quality for content recording or online meetings. With AI-enhanced audio, background noise is minimized, ensuring that your voice always sounds crisp and clear. In terms of battery life, this device is impressive. The 65-watt fast charging capability allows you to charge it to 46% in just 30 minutes. When fully charged, it offers up to 9 hours of battery life, which is ideal for long workdays. Whether you're attending meetings, taking classes, or working remotely, you can enjoy freedom from being tied to a power outlet. The macOS 7.2 operating system comes with features like AI Cross OS Workstation and multi-screen collaboration, boosting your productivity and workflow. Advanced security features like the fingerprint reader and face recognition keep your personal data secure. You can also easily share files and synchronize data with other devices in the Honor ecosystem. In conclusion, the Honor MagicBook Art 14 offers elegant design, exceptional performance, fantastic display quality, and powerful hardware, making it a premium laptop suitable for all types of users. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or a professional, this device is an excellent choice. If you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend considering this one. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you in the next review. Take care.